Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fox Knives Anzu, designed by Les George. Let's check it out. Right away, I think one of the things that you really notice about this knife, it is just visually very appealing to me. Secondly, what strikes me is the beautiful geometric pattern on the handles here. I also really like the chamfering on the aluminum handles here, or the aluminum scales, and just makes it, an overall appealing package. And at first glance, you can tell that this is a Les George or a George designed knife. It has that kind of like rock eye type blade to it, and they're just good looking knives. Les George designs a mean knife. Yeah, this definitely follows in those footsteps. Looking at the other side here, same thing, same visual appeal, and with the iconic George logo on here. And of course, this one's produced by Fox Knives out of Italy. And this one's constructed of MagnaCut. Yeah, very pointy blade. In hand, this fits very well for me. I have large size hands, and thumb ramp is perfect placement for me. And yeah, you can just see it fits very well. There is 2 raised spots on the knife, which really cages your hands. I'm not sure how this would work for guys with extra large size hands. Mine are size large, and this fits in there very snug. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. The action on here is very good. As far as crossbar locks go, or bar locks, I mean, this is very good. It actually has a very tight spring, very snappy. It almost feels like it's assisted because it's such a strong spring on here. So I know a lot of people like that. Quick specs on the Anzu. We have an overall length of 7.09 inches, a blade length of 3.15 inches, a handle length of 4.25 inches, an overall weight of 3.7 ounces. We have a classic drop point blade design, and the blade is constructed of CPM MagnaCut, finished off with a Rockwell hardness of 59 to 61. It is flat ground and has a very nice sharpening choil. The handles are constructed of aluminum, and by the looks of it, these actually look like they are Cerakoted bronze. The action is a crossbar lock. The pocket clip is a left and right hand tip-up carry. Your opening methods are dual thumb studs, making this knife completely ambidextrous. Up top, we have jimping above the bar lock, as well as jimping onto the thumb ramp of the blade. Let's do some size comparisons with the Anzu. First up, we have the Fox Knives Yaru. You can see here that the Yaru is just a tad smaller than the Anzu. Both come from Fox Knives, clearly, with the Fox logo. Up next, we have the Urban EDC F5.5. That's a mouthful there. As you can see, the Anzu is slightly larger overall. And last but not least, we have the Malibu Knives Mini Old Guard. And again here, the Anzu is just slightly larger than the Mini Old Guard, but both are excellent for an EDC size pocket knife. This is how the Anzu looks in the pocket. I think this is a great overall EDC size type knife, but I do have one complaint with it. I don't have the biggest hands on the planet, and in fact, even some of my channel members call me Captain Tiny Hands. Now, I really don't have tiny hands, but they're just a standard size large hand. But I'll show you on the handle here. If I get an actual full grip on it, there is one hot spot, actually I guess it's 2, that develop in the handle right here. These are just unnecessarily sharp. If this was a knife that I was going to keep permanently in my collection, I would definitely dehorn these handle scales to make it so they don't bite into your skin. I'm no stranger to modding knives like that, and in another instance where you have an outstanding knife that just had a slight oversight, once in a while you're going to have to dehorn things to make it the way you want it. Again, someone said, make it your own. And if I keep the Anzu, it will definitely be dehorned on both of these spots right here. So, but if you don't have large hands, if you had a medium or small hand, this is going to fit you perfectly. If you have extra large hands, this might be an issue for you, or you might not even care about it. So that's just me in particular. Overall, that aspect aside, I think this is a great knife. From the beautiful blade design and the stunning visuals on it, between the color and the pattern, it's awesome. So we'll see. Time will tell. Will I keep the knife or will I let it go on the secondary? Thank you for spending time with me today, checking out the Fox Knives Anzu. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment down below what you think of the Anzu. Thank you again, and have a good day.